Good morning, student. Today in chapter number 5, Through the Eyes of Traveler, as you know that in part 1 we already discussed the topic Al-Biruni. In this video, first of all, we will cover all the topics of Al-Biruni. Okay. Now, overcoming barriers to understanding. The problem faced by Al-Biruni in writing an account of India. As we have seen, travelers often compared what they saw in the subcontinent with the practices with which they were familiar. Each traveler adopted different strategies to understand what they observed. Al-Biruni, for example, was aware of the problems inherent in the task or work he had set himself. He discussed several problems or barriers that he felt obstructed understanding. The first among us these was the language. Language was the first problem. According to him, Sanskrit was so different from Arabic and Persian that ideas and concepts could not be easily translated from one language to another. Now, the second problem he saw the difference in the religious beliefs and the practices. Now, the third, the self absorption and consequent insularity of the local population. Insularity means features of an isolated people. So these problems or the main barriers he faced in India. Al-Biruni depended almost mainly on the works of the Brahmins, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Bhagavad Gitas, the work of Patanjali and Manu Samriti, etc., to provide an understanding of the Indian society. Now, Al-Biruni's description of the caste system. Al-Biruni tried to explain the caste system by looking for parallels in other societies. He noted that in ancient Persia, now he compared the India with the Persia. He noted that in ancient Persia, four social categories were recognized. Now see the first category, knights and the princes. Second category, monks, fire priests and the lawyers. Third, physicians, astronomers and other scientists. Fourth one, peasants and artisans. So here Al-Biruni compare the Persia with the India. In India, he also saw the four Varnas, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. And he compared the India and Persia that the same thing also he saw in the Persia and same as it is in the India that the society is divided into the four parts. Now, in other words, he attempted to suggest that social division were not unique in India. At the same time, he pointed out that within Islam, all men were considered equal, differing only in their observance of piety. In spite of this acceptance, the Brahminical description of the caste system, Al-Biruni disapproved the notion of pollution. Pollution here means that the society on that time was divided into the four parts. Now he remarked that everything which falls into the state of impurity strives and succeeds in regaining its original conditions of purity. It means that he wanted to say that nature also have the capacity to pure itself. Here he give the example: the sun cleanses the air, the salt in the sea prevents the water from becoming polluted. The third one, he says that the notion of social pollution was against the laws of nature. Al-Biruni's description of the caste system was deeply influenced by his study of Sanskrit texts. He was too much influenced from our Sanskrit text. Whatever the description he gave about the caste system, he gave with the help of this Sanskrit text. These texts laid down the rules governing the caste system from the point of view of the Brahmanas. So whatever the rules he tell us, all that rules also laid down in the Sanskrit text. In real life, of caste system was not rigid. Categories like the Antajya born outside the system. It means that these people were not the Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya or Shudra. These people were the outside of this Varna system. Were expected to provide labor to peasants and Jamidar. They were subjected to social oppression and included in economic activities. Here Al-Baruni depended only on the Sanskrit text for his information and understanding of Indian society. So in this way Al-Baruni explained the caste system of our India. Okay student, today Al-Baruni is completed. Tomorrow we will start our in next video we will start our next topic. Thank you.